One of the great things about buying online is when the package comes, it's almost like having an extra Christmas. So I don't typically buy a lot of stuff online, but I did buy some new glasses, and I'm going to do my very first unboxing or unenveloping video for you. I'm Miss Jenny with Miss Jenny's Cleaning. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button for me, and if you have questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. I do want to let you know I am not an affiliate for Zenni Optical, but I have purchased glasses through them before. So these are Zenni Optical glasses, and excuse me, you don't normally see me wear my glasses in my videos, and that is because I'm really supposed to wear bifocals so that I can read up close, but I can't see far away. And so when I'm doing a lot of my videos, for whatever reason, I'm just not comfortable when the camera's real close. So today, I put the camera back a little bit so that you can see that I do wear glasses. And I'm going to show you what I got. But before I do that, these are the glasses that I was wearing when I had our car accident. You can see they're tied in a knot. There's no lens here anymore. I don't even know where that went to. But yeah, they got broken pretty bad. And if you look at my video that I did about the airbag injuries that I had, I'll put the link for that in the video in the description below too. But I really didn't have a lot of damage on near my eyes, and I think it's because I had the glasses on. So I am grateful that I wear glasses. Probably the first time in my life, other than the fact that they help me see. So I had this pair. You can see these are also Zenni Optical, and the ones that I have damaged are Zenni Optical. I don't like these as much. I mean, they work fine, but this little thing right here makes me feel like they're kind of masculine looking. So I just don't like them as much. So I ordered another pair that are hopefully similar to this. I did upgrade it a little bit. And just so you know, Zenni Optical, you can get prescription. These are prescriptions. Prescription glasses. Very cheap, and they have a lot of different ones. I tend to go with the wire because I feel that they're sturdier. You know, I do a physical job, and I also happen to be a little bit of a klutz sometimes, so I drop my glasses and things. And I've had plastic lenses that are really cute. I like them. They actually cost, some of them, more than the wire rims, but oh great, see, I was sick yesterday, sorry. But they cost a little bit more. Sometimes they even cost more, but they just don't seem to be as durable. So I like the wires, and they don't seem to dominate your face as much as some of the plastic ones. But you know what? Now glasses are cool, and you can make a fashion statement with your glasses. And the thing about the Zennis, God, I'm so sorry. The thing about Zenni's glasses is because they're so cheap, you could buy a bunch of them and have all different kinds of colors, and you can coordinate with your clothes and things like that. So I really like them. So this is how they come in these little puffy bags. It's got the little poppy things inside, and it says Zenni on the front, and it's glued really hard, and it has the label. My address is there, so I'm covering that so I don't see it. But you know, this is how they come, and they put them in your mailbox, and just like, you know, that I get them delivered the regular way. I don't rush them or anything like that, but they have those options if you don't have an extra pair. But you know, for once in my life, I did something smart. And when I ordered these, so I did have an extra pair of glasses to hold me over until I ordered something that I liked. So I'm going to open them up, and we're going to see what they look like, because I ordered them regular mail, or regular delivery, whatever it is, and so it took them a little while. I don't exactly remember what I ordered, but every pair comes with this little case, and this is a nice case because it's hard, and it says ZenniOptical.com on it. And let's see, open. Okay, what's that? There's something extra in here. Usually they always send this little microfiber cloth to clean them with. Oh, I like like these. They always send this microfiber cloth, so you end up getting a collection of these if you order frequently. So that's a really nice thing to have because they work really well. And what is that? Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, so here's the glasses. They're still in their packing. These look like granny glasses, and they're actually, I paid more for these than I paid for any of the others. They're kind of flexible, but I don't think that they're the kind that you can bend in half, so I'm gonna have to be really careful with these. And you can see there's almost no frame on them. I just wanted to try something different, but they really look like granny glasses. Oh, let's see. I dropped that piece of plastic. Yeah, they're very lightweight. These are almost like nothing. Do they look okay? You could barely see them. I think I like these. This one came with this little packet here. There's little things in there, like that looks like some nose tabs, and I'm not sure what all these other little plastic pieces are, and some screws and whatnot. I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing, because there's very little to this glass. Is really just the frames screwed onto the actual lenses. So I don't know if they sent these because these have a tendency to fall apart. I don't know, or is this just something like I didn't know this was coming, so I guess I'm gonna find out. And then because they sent those parts, this is always a good thing to have, and sometimes they're hard to find. They sent a tool, so let me open this for you. This, I know this what this is. So where are the pieces to the tool? Okay, so it's a little teeny weeny screwdriver, little teeny weeny one, and these are good to have anyway, because I have found in the past, because I've worn glasses for a long time, that sometimes the screws, this one's a flathead, little teeny weeny flathead. These are so dear. I have found that, oh, I see, okay. I found that it's good to have a screwdriver because certain types of glasses do have, you know, the screws get loose and things like that. So this is really nice. I don't know if they're always doing this. And the end of this, I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm going to try to get it up closer. It's a little like wrench. So you would put it down on the bolt part like this to turn it. It would fit inside that hole there. It's actually shaped like the nut part of a screw and bolt, whatever. I'm not saying it right, maybe. But yeah, so this is the first time I've gotten something like this. But these are good to have. So I'm kind of excited about that. Although I hope these glasses don't fall apart. So these are my new glasses. I hope you like them. I might see them in another video. And thanks for coming and seeing my first boxing. Again, I'm Miss Jenny with Miss Jenny's Cleaning. Again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos. Don't forget to leave me comments if you like what you see, if you have questions. I answer all my comments, and hit the like button, and I will see you again. Bye.